Little Brave Panda. Once upon a time, deep in a lush green jungle, there lived a little panda named Piku. Piku was not only adorable, but also known for being very kind and honest. All the animals in the jungle loved him for his good heart. Not far from the jungle, there lived a little boy named Aru with his mother. Aru was a curious child who often came into the jungle to explore and collect fruits and flowers. One sunny morning, Piku was hopping around the bamboo trees when something shiny caught his eye. As he went closer, he found a small bag full of gold coins lying under a bush. Wow! So many coins! For a moment, Piku thought, I could use these coins to buy lots of yummy bamboo cakes, or build a little tree house. Wait, these coins might belong to someone, maybe someone who really needs them. So, Panda decided to find the owner of the coins. He picked up the bag carefully and began walking through the jungle looking for clues. Then he remembered seeing a little boy searching for something the night before. He remembered that little boy was walking around with a worried face. He was searching behind rocks and under leaves. And that's when Panda realized the owner of the bag was that little boy. Determined to help, little Panda went to the boy's house. But when he arrived, he saw something scary. Robbers were inside. They were trying to steal from the boy's family. Thinking quickly, little Panda ran back into the jungle and called his friend, Big Cheetah. Together, they rushed to the house. When the robbers saw the strong, fast cheetah, they got so scared that they ran away as fast as they could. The boy and his mother were safe and very grateful. Thank you, little Panda, the boy said, hugging his new friend. And when little Panda showed the bag of coins, Aru's face lit up. Thank you so much, kind Panda. I'm glad I found you. These coins will help your mother. I'm happy I didn't keep them. You're the best panda in the world. From that day on, Boy and Panda became best friends. And the jungle animals told the story of the honest, brave, and clever little panda, reminding everyone that doing the right thing always brings joy. So lovely kids always remembered, honesty is a good policy, and kindness and bravery can solve big problems. Dear children, now is the time to learn words. Learn some words along with the story. Repeat with us.
Scary, scary. Pick, pick. Night, night.